classes have been canceled for today. Apparently there's a snowstorm coming in Texas, and all the Texans are scared. People are saying there's going to be electrical outages, and we basically cannot drive on streets, so classes are canceled. But I do have online classes, so come with me to stay in all day and be cozy. And I actually have a lot of things to do, so let's go. Guys, I haven't moved from this chair in like 3 hours. The application was like 2 hours, and I had a student work meeting for like an hour and a half, so maybe like more than 3 hours. And now it's time for me to move, so let's go to the gym. I was just in the gym, and y'all need to see this. It's snowing. It's snowing in Texas. I showered and I also changed, and I'm also eating tomato rice and oh my god, focus. Hello. And I'm watching TV. I don't know if y'all heard about this series, but I started The Family Man. It's basically he's a spy but also has a family, and his wife doesn't want him doing field work, so he tells her that he's doing like paperwork and like desk work, but he's actually out in the field stopping criminal terrorists and like criminal activities. But I finished season 1. It was pretty good. Would recommend. And now I've started season 2. Oh, let me show y'all how it looks outside. It hasn't snowed that much in the last hour, but it looks pretty outside. I think I might just leave my window open when I sleep. I just woke up. It's the next morning, and look outside. It snowed so much. It's still snowing. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. It feels so cozy to look at the snow and be warm in your own house with a cup of tea. There's actually coffee, but whatever your preference is. It actually didn't. I mean, when they said there was going to be a snowstorm, I thought, oh my god, it's going to be really, really bad, right? Like, there's going to be winds everywhere, like everything's going to be shut off and whatever. This is fine to me. Like, this looks pretty not stormy, but it's predicted that there's still going to be snow today, so I'm gonna enjoy another cozy day at home. I do need to finish assignments, so there's gonna be that, but majority of the time I think I plan to cook and watch TV. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see y'all in the next one.